Hi, I'm Larry with Worley Properties, the maintenance field manager. Here to show you how to check your heat tape and make sure it's working properly. First thing you're going to want to do is find out where your freshwater connection is. That's where your heat tape and water will be hooked up. If this is in your way, you can just easily pop this off, set it aside. You're going to want to pull the bib up high enough that you can get the skirting undone. What you're going to do is just slide it up between channels, set that aside. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come under here, you're going to see a orange box. It will have a light on it, but that does not say it's on for sure or not. So what you're going to want to do is grab the steel braided line. You can touch it. It will not shock you or burn you. It's just going to be like lukewarm water. And then after you find out that it's working properly, you put your skirting back on. You're going to want to put it in the channels. You can click it in if you go a couple inches down, slide down to your bottom track. All you need to do is lift your bib a little bit. It will pop back in place. And to get your bib back up in, you're going to push kind of in and up. That's all you do. Check to make sure with winter coming that your heat tape is working.